Konnichiwa, my royal queens and kings. It is your queen, Nicole, the Pisces Queens. In today's video, I'm going to do a short review on SCENTBIRD's perfume. First, a shout out to Tawalico for getting me into these perfumes. They're little sample bottles that they send 2 times. Well, I get 2. I get 2 for $30 a month. And today, I'm going to show y'all Toka. I looked it up. It means to touch in French. So this is Toka, and it has Italian lemons, fig, and vetiver. I don't know, but right here is where it's at. I'm gonna smell this one. Supposed to spray on the card. Fan it out. I've been watching too many videos. This one smells like a rich person's perfume. It smells like a rich girl. It may be loud. I like it, but I give it a 7 out of 10. A 7 out of 10 for me. I probably wouldn't really wear this one. The next one is called Strawberry Shortcake. It smells like food. I don't know yet. Okay, I'm just kidding. I don't know. And then it does. Oh, it does. It doesn't give you the ingredients at the bottom now. So, of course, we got strawberry jam, wild strawberries, begum zest, vanilla, whipped cream. So those are the ingredients into this one. So let's spray it on the paper. Fan it out. Oh, this one smells so good. Smell like food. Smell like cupcakes. Oh my god. I love this one. I think I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna buy this one. Clanton! Well, JC was just down here giving me the side eye, but I like this one. I give it a 10 out of 10. Of course, you know it smells like strawberries and cupcakes. Okay? Yes, I like this one. I'm gonna have to go buy it. I'll see how much it costs on Amazon or somewhere. Wherever they're selling it, I'm gonna go find it. Because I love this one. Okay? Anyways, you guys, that's the end of this video. Very short. Very short. But I do want to thank Tawala for getting me into this. Because I have found a couple perfumes that I really, really love. That I buy. They like expensive, but I don't care. Okay? I want to smell good. I'm into perfume now all of a sudden. Not all of a sudden, but you know, I had got into it when I saw a lot of people wearing different things. Tawala started buying these. I was like, okay, I'm gonna start getting these. So, you know, now I'm a perfume type of chick. Okay? So, with that being said, this is the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, I want to show you my shirt again. Because I love this shirt. I can't show you the back of it because I don't have my stand. And thank you to Monique, Making Money Monique. She probably changed the name of her channel by now, but thank you, Monique, for making my shirt. I just ordered some more because I love seeing meat on the shirt. If you want a shirt, she can make you a shirt. She can make you a shirt, not this shirt. If you want to wear this shirt, then let me know. Then, well, you let her know, she can make it for you. But anyway, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. And if you're already subscribed, then you already know that you are the real MVP. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the comments.